Welcome to Qollabb, where we believe in connecting companies with brilliant minds in campuses. In the last video we have shown you how one can sign up on our platform as a college or a university user. In this video we will explain how to search and assign opportunities to students on Qollabb as a college or a university. Since you have logged in your newly created Qollabb account, currently, you would be able to see the dashboard, from where you can easily search and assign opportunities to the students that match their caliber. Step 1. Navigating through dashboard. On the college or a university dashboard, you can find a menu with options like Explore, Student, Partner Companies, etc. on the left side of the dashboard. These buttons can help you in navigating easily through the portal. On scrolling down the dashboard, you can find the Explore Projects, Explore Internships and Explore Jobs segment, where you will see the listed opportunities respectively. Step 2. Searching the opportunities. There are two ways in which you can explore or search for opportunities. The first way is to explore the opportunities on the dashboard. The second way is by clicking on the Explore button on the menu present in the left side. Here in the Explore page you can filter the opportunity by choosing the details like project, internship, or job, or by entering the keyword, skill, or interest, or by choosing the location of your choice. You can also sort these opportunities according to its time of posting or the industry sector or based upon the qualification. You can always click onto the Explore page and find opportunities that you need. Press the Search or the Apply button to search or sort these opportunities. A list of filtered opportunities will appear in front of you, which can be assigned to students by the college or the university. Step 3. Exploring the opportunities. After searching, you can scroll and change pages to find the appropriate opportunity that caters to your requirement. All of this makes it easy to find precisely what you are looking for. You can go through the description of the opportunities of your interest carefully. Understand the scope, expectations, and any specific requirements. Step 4. Assigning the opportunity. When you find an opportunity of your interests, you can click on Assign to view the full description. Step 5. Uploading the list of students. By clicking on the Assign button, the job description opens, and on the right corner of page you can see the Download Template and Upload New List buttons above Send Opportunity. By clicking on the Download Template, you will get an Excel sheet where details like student name, course, specialization, semester, email, ID need to be filled. After uploading the list, you can select the students whom you'd like to send this opportunity to. You can select one or more students at once. This step can also be done by clicking on the Student button below the dashboard. Step 6. Sending opportunities to the students. After selecting the students whom you want to assign those particular opportunities. Finally, click on Send Opportunities to send invites of that particular opportunity to the selected students. Step 7. Notifying the student. Upon assigning the opportunities to the student, your system will send an email to the student asking them to log in or sign up and choose the same opportunity to enroll or to start working on the opportunity on their own or under the guidance of their professor. With these few and easy steps, you can efficiently discover and assign opportunities that align perfectly with your students' caliber and talent, and help them gain real industry-based hands-on experience. In the next video of this series, we will be telling you how to keep a track of students' progress during project work. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.